Hi everyone, my name is Samail and welcome to my YouTube channel DEVOPS with Samail. In this video, today I'll be explaining what is if, elseif and else statement. In my previous video, I already explained what is if else statement and what are the use cases of if else statement. So now we will learn about if, elseif and else condition. Why we should learn this? Because in production scenario you'll be having different conditions, not only 1 2 3, maybe multiple, more than 5 10 also. So in those cases we should use this kind of statement, if, elseif and else. Here you can see here, if condition 1, if condition 1 is matching, then do some command or execute some commands. Else if, it means again if I have second condition, that time else if condition 2, if condition 2 is matching, then execute this command. Like this, if you are having again condition 3, that time again you can mention else if and then make some commands or execute some commands, or else at last else and some commands, you can give some instruction, else this is the thing you need to perform. So like this we can mention this. So very good example is there for me. I have already collected this grade system. Okay, so I'll be explaining each and everything here on the terminal. Okay, here grade system in the sense we'll be having different conditions. Here this is the one condition, what, if score is greater than 40 and score is less than 60, then you are passed. It means if your score, exam score is more than 40 and less than 60, then you are normally pass. Again there is another one condition I have mentioned over here, what, if score is greater than 60 and score is less than 70. It means if your score is between 60 and 70, I can print, okay, you got the first division. Okay, else if another one condition, what condition here I am providing, I am telling if your score is more than 70 and less than 90, then you got distinction. Else if again another condition I am making, if your score is greater than 90, then echo you are the champion, else you are failed. At last I am telling, if all conditions are not matching, then you are failed. You doesn't have, because I have made all the condition over here. Okay, now let's try to execute this particular shell script and I will be giving different scores, so that whether it is giving me correct result or not. I have already logged into my terminal. I have created this Linux server. So if you don't know how to create Linux server on AWS, I have already created a video for that. Please try to watch my Linux playlist video. There I have already explained how to create server and how to connect to it also. Okay, I can show you here, I think. Okay, so this is my channel. Here I have already posted all the videos, but you can get here playlists are there, different playlists are there, so you can get all the data. This is DevOps playlist, shell script, Linux. In Linux I have already given that video, so you can watch that here. Okay, let's come to here. Since this is if else, okay, I'll give some name. Okay, I'll say if else dot sh. Okay, here I have copied. Yes, I have already copied. So first thing what we are giving, I am taking or reading input from the user and it is stored where, in the score variable. Okay, now that score variable I'll be using on my all the conditions over here. Okay, if score, and always remember, if you are giving some condition, this should be 2 third bracket should be there. Okay, and if you are using variable, then you should use this particular dollar. If you didn't understand, you just watch my previous videos. I have already explained over there. Okay, So here I am making score GE means greater than equals to. This is the short form of greater than equals. Okay. If score is greater than 40 and score is less than 60, and means both together. Okay. So that's the reason I'm saying if score is greater than 40 and less than 60, then you print you are passed. So like the same else if means I have different conditions over here. I have already explained over there these all things. So now let's try to save this, try to give execute permission and then run it. Okay. chmod plus x if else. Okay. Now let's try to run that if else. Now what it is telling, enter your marks. Okay. It is taking input from the user. I'll give okay 78. What I'm getting, you got distinction. Okay, because I have mentioned that criteria. What is the distinction criteria? 70 to 90. It means this I have provided 70 to 90. So that's what I got the distinction. Okay. Now I can give some other value, maybe 55. What is telling? I mentioned that till 40 to 60 you are passed only. Now if I am mentioning some other value, maybe 61, what it's telling, you got the first division. Okay. I can try with some other value also, maybe 5. In this case what it is telling, you are failed, because whatever I have given the condition it didn't match, and at last what I mentioned, you are failed. Because of that condition it is giving me you are failed over here. So like this we can use different conditions for if else. For this different scenarios will be there. There are a lot of scenarios will be there, but this is a very good scenario, so I have collected that. Okay. Now there are some common operators you should know as part of shell script. Okay. Numeric. EQ, if someone is giving hyphen EQ means equal, that is just short form. NE means not equal, GT means greater than, LT means less than. Okay. Some string operation also there, equal, not equal. Hyphen Z means empty string. Okay. So in shell script you will be seeing this kind of numeric operators, string operators. Okay. You should understand, and few file test operations also there. Okay. If means file exists. If condition is available hyphen F, it means you should understand that okay, it is checking for file is there or not. D means directory is there or not. R means it is readable or not. W means writable. So I can give you this example. It is just trying to find one of the file name that is called test.txt. Let's see, I'll just maybe a.sh I'll give any name. Okay. And I'll say first bin bash I should mention, that is a shebang. Okay. If file name, F means it is trying to check the file name, whether file is available or not. Which file? Test.txt. Then echo file exists. If it is getting that this file is available, then only it is giving me output file exists. Otherwise it is not going to give me any output. Let's try to execute and see the result. Okay. Let's say chmod -x a.sh. Okay. Now let me run this. It is not giving any output. Why? Because that file is not available as of now. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll try to create that file, same name. What is the name? Test.txt, right? So I'll say vi test. Okay, I just copied it, right? And here I'll mention this is test file. Okay, I'll save it. Now if I'm running this, what it's telling, that file is exist. Okay, it means it is checking okay that file is available or not. If it is not available, it is not giving you any output, but if it is available, then only it is giving exist, printing the message. That message I can give any name. Now what I can do, I'll just change one letter of that particular file. I'll say test1.txt and let's see whether it is giving me any output or not. It is not giving any output. Why? Because that file name is not available. That file is not available over here. Okay, that is a one example. You can try for other example also, directory is available or not. So this kind of thing you can try at home. If you are unable to try, or if you are unable to do something, or if you are facing any error, let me know in the comment section so I can clarify your doubts. Okay, and what is the advantage for this particular shell script or if else statement? We can automate decision making, improve script efficiency, because particular thing, if it is condition is matching, then only I need output, otherwise I don't need output. So that can improve your script efficiency, and it will give better result with less time, and essential for real world scripting. So this is if else statement is really needed. Like this next for loop will be there, for also really needed. I'll be explaining on my future videos. I hope you all understood this particular if else statement, and if you like the video or if you like this information, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, also share with your friends so that they also can learn the particular thing. Thank you all. Bye bye.